This BLUETTI, wow. I mean, yeah, it was the easiest yet, period. This really changes how I view these power generation units. Completely. Whoa.
Now, how did we get here? Let's start at the beginning.
Get busy living.
I was really happy when BLUETTI reached out and sent us their new Elite 30V2 portable power station, along with the Sora 130-watt solar panel. Now, before we dive in, just a couple of disclosures. BLUETTI did send these products out for review, and they didn't tell me what to say, what to think, or how to review them. The only thing they requested was an opportunity to review the video for technical accuracy before publication, and to make sure I didn't accidentally get any specs wrong. I do get to keep these products, but more importantly, BLUETTI also donated an Elite 30V2 on behalf of RVing with Joe to the Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo giveaway. So a huge thank you to BLUETTI for supporting the Alberta outdoor community and making AOAE even better. Now let's crack this thing open. The first thing that stood out to me was the packaging. This thing is packed extremely well. In fact, it's double packed. We've got a shipping box protecting the retail box, and everything arrived in a perfect condition. Opening things up, BLUETTI includes pretty much everything you're likely to need to get started. Inside the box, you'll find an Elite 30V2 itself, an AC charging cable, and a 12-volt vehicle charging cable. Also included is the grounding hardware and, of course, the documentation. I always appreciate it when a company includes the accessories you're likely to need instead of making you immediately start shopping for adapters. Now, as I lifted the unit out of the box, the first thing that struck me was the size, or maybe should I say the lack of size. This thing is remarkably compact. The Elite 30V2 packs 288 watt-hours of battery capacity into a package weighing only about 9.4 pounds, or roughly 4.3 kilograms. For RVers, campers, content creators like me, drone pilots, photographers, remote workers, portability matters. This isn't a power station that lives in your garage because it's too heavy to move. This is a grab-and-go power station. Throw it in the truck, bring it to the picnic table, carry it to the beach, take it into the tent, move it around the campsite. Use it on a video shoot. It's light enough that you'll actually take it with you wherever you go. Now, don't let the size fool you. The Elite 30V2 delivers 600 watts of continuous AC output, and BLUETTI includes something called the powerlifting mode that can handle certain resistive appliances up to 1500 watts. Now, before the comment section explodes, no, that doesn't magically turn this into a 1500 watt inverter, but it does allow compatible resistive loads like small kettles, toasters, and little heaters to operate beyond the normal inverter rating. It's a clever feature that gives you more flexibility than you might expect from a power station this size. Looking around the front, 2 AC outlets, 4 USB ports. One of my favorite features is the USB-C port supporting PD 3.1. That means 140 watts of output. That's enough to rapidly charge modern laptops, workstations, tablets, and other high-performance devices. I'm actually editing this video using the BLUETTI to power my laptop. For a lot of people, this could completely replace carrying a separate laptop charger. Let's talk charging, because BLUETTI packed a lot of flexibility into this little unit. When I first powered up the unit, it arrived with approximately 37% battery remaining. I plugged it in using the default settings and I just let it do its thing. And it went from 37% to 100% in just about an hour and a half. Now that's a pretty impressive unit for this size, but this was also the first time I was charging it. It did stay at 99% for many minutes before it went to 100, and you see that a lot when you first power up one of these devices as it finds and calibrates what 100% is. But after that, each time I charged it up, it went from 99 to 100%, just like it went from 98 to 99%. This is pretty impressive for a unit this size. BLUETTI advertises charging from 0 to 80% in as little as 45 minutes under ideal conditions, and based on what I saw during this testing, I have no trouble believing that claim. Now, what really impressed me wasn't just how fast it charged, but how much control you have over the charging process. The BLUETTI app turned out to be a great part of this entire package. I've reviewed quite a few power stations over the years, and the app quality is all over the place. Some of the iPhone apps, they just feel unfinished, they disconnect constantly, they barely do anything useful, and the BLUETTI app was a completely refreshed, simple example of how to do it. The pairing was easy, connection was fast, and more importantly, it stayed connected. The app lets you monitor power and output in real time, check the status, configure the UPS settings, enable or disable eco mode, activate the powerlifting mode, and adjust charging limits and the total charging behavior. And perhaps the highest compliment I can give is that the app simply worked. Now, my favorite feature inside the app was the charging modes. This is something I wish every power manufacturer would copy. You've got silent mode, standard mode, and turbo mode. Silent mode reduces the charging power and minimizes the fan noise. For RVers, this is fantastic. If you're charging overnight, silent mode helps keep the RV quieter. But more importantly, it puts less stress on the RV circuits and the campground circuits. It draws less power from the pedestal, it works better with smaller generators, and when you're in an RV, you don't want to draw too many watts through these AC outlets. So this makes it a safer charge. The fact that you can choose which mode makes sense for your situation is something I really appreciated and just did not see on any other manufacturer yet. Now let's talk solar. BLUETTI paired this review kit with their Sora 130 watt solar panel. The Sora is a foldable portable solar panel designed specifically for mobile use. Setup couldn't be easier and it was light as heck. You just open it up, aim it at the sun, connect the cable, and start collecting power. During the testing here in Edmonton, conditions were far from ideal. I was testing in cloudy cover. We were testing at a fairly northern latitude, and many RVers know that solar panel ratings don't always work the same when you get really up far north here. Even with those less than perfect conditions, I was seeing the panel get over 90 watts coming into the Elite 30 V2. I was very impressed with that little solar panel. Considering the cloud cover and our location this far north, that's a very respectable result from a 130 watt panel. When I was testing the solar panel, I was able to see how it was sending in more power than I was consuming while all these devices were charging and operating. The battery percentage actually still climbed a little bit. And that's exactly what you want to see when you're camping off-grid. Over the course of testing, I tested the cameras, charging equipment, USB devices, laptops, and a variety of AC/DC loads. The Elite 30 V2 handled everything without complaint. Now let's keep expectations realistic. This thing is not designed to power a large household appliance all day long. My big vacuum cleaner was asking a little bit too much from a power station this size. But that's not what this product is trying to be. This is a lightweight, highly portable power station. It's designed for camping, boondocking, photography, drone charging, content creation, remote work, emergency backup, running Starlink, charging laptop, keeping those phones, tablets, cameras, and accessories powered up wherever your adventure takes you. Another feature worth mentioning is battery chemistry. BLUETTI uses LiFePO4 lithium batteries rated for more than 3,000 charge cycles. That translates into years and years of reliable use. This isn't something you're going to be replacing anytime soon. The Elite 30 V2 also incorporates BLUETTI UltraCell technology, reducing standby power consumption and helping maximize efficiency where every watt matters. The enclosure is built from flame retardant materials, the cooling system is intelligent, and the overall fit and finish feels premium. The Elite 30 V2 is available in either black version or green version, which gives you the choice depending on your personal style.
So yeah, as you've seen, this thing not only performs across AC and DC, this totally changes my expectations. I'm really impressed that the solar panel is getting 90 plus. It's a 130 rated solar panel, but as I always like to point out, up here in the north, we simply don't get the direct sun the same way, and the solar never really hits the 100% rating this far north. We also had some clouds today, so we'll see if I can get this thing up even higher. I expect I will. This was charging and it was discharging all at the same time, and we still got it up to nearly 100% here just in the morning of this testing. So it really goes to show you that this thing charges fast, But also the thing I liked about it that was unique, and I hope this carries through their other products, is you can actually throttle or change how the input power comes in. So a lot of times these things will pull a little too much from your RV. If you're running your air conditioner at the same time, maybe some other devices, you plug in your charging device and boom, next thing you know, you're blowing circuits, you're hearing your generator struggle. Whatever it is, this allows you to turn down the input so it's not charging at as high of a rate. And I really like that feature as well, and I plan to have that on a lot more when we're traveling. And I'm charging this off of my trailer, which itself is charging off of solar panels on the top. Now, if I haven't mentioned it already, Prime Day is June 23rd to 26th. So they have these and a whole lot of products available. Right now is the best time of the year to buy. This is the lowest prices of the year happening right now. You can find the product link, the description of the deal, and you'll find my discount code. So check the description below and make sure to check it out before it's gone. I want to thank BLUETTI for sending this our way. They did not tell me how to review it. They didn't tell me say good things like some of the folks do. They just said, here you go, tell us what you think, and put out a video, and that's what I did. They didn't pay me for it, but I get to keep this, so that's cool. And they also included another one that I'm giving away at the Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo. So I want to thank BLUETTI for that as well, where they are effectively helping and supporting the Alberta outdoor community by donating one of these to the giveaway. So somebody's going to win one of these. Check that video coming up soon. You can get this color actually, or you can get the black one for a little cheaper for $265. The discount code you can see right here, and that's going to be RVJoePD5. I'm going to put it right here, and it's in the description. You can use that code outside of Prime Day. If you just go to the BLUETTI website, you can use my code at any time, and my discount code for 5% off is RVJoe5. I'll put it right here. Check out Prime Day. Check out BLUETTI. I'm impressed, and I'm hoping to do more work with these folks. These guys are my new go-to product. However you want to buy it, just get one of these things before they're gone. These things are great.
Now you know how we got here. If you've got questions about the BLUETTI Elite 30V2 or the Sora 130 watt solar panel, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Read the description for those discount codes. And until next time, get busy living.
Get busy living.